So I did a thing. Good morning. Happy Friday. Where do I begin? Laundry that I already did and never put away. I got new like gym stuff and like basic t-shirts that I bought from H&M here. Some shirts I had to like rebuy because I don't know what happened in the last laundry load that I did, but my white shirts became yellow. I don't even know if you can see that, but literally all my white shirts. Yeah, and I'm sick about it, but it's okay. So there's that. Today, officially at midnight today, J Transit is officially on strike. I have my Soft Step Society first walk on Sunday, and I want to make a video to remind people that the walk is coming and to sign up for more details and stuff like that. And I'm going to the park. The walk is going to be taking place because I want to go scope the scenery out. I just need to get this place not looking a mess because it's really bothering me. And when your place is a mess, you don't feel good. You see this that I have for my records and stuff? I'm thinking of buying a whole bunch of them to like change this whole thing, right? To make one side like records, the other side to have like my books and magazines that I want to showcase. Pause for the new leaf sprouting. Love to see it. I got this tote. This is so cute. Just a shirts girl. I didn't realize how much of a box this was gonna be. Why is it so wide? What the? Maybe I should have got a 1X. Should I exchange it? But I really love this pattern. I love this color. This is the next shirt. It's like a heather gray. This is a 3X. And I think that this looks good. They're giving like boxy crop shirts. I feel like these might be cropped. Once they wrap around the circumference of my body, these will probably be like a crop shirt. Oh my God, it's huge. This is huge. What is with all these shirts being like so wide? This is the entire screen. But it feels so good. And the pattern is so freaking cute. I'm sad. Okay. Yeah, see, this is like normal size 3X. Well, that was the ASOS haul. All right. Time for the Walmart haul. I did some damage. Okay, first things first, the bag. Little like shoulder bag. It's so perfect for like your little walk. 3 pockets. It has this little zipper one. It has this crossover. And then it has the big body one. As you can see, it also has a little zipper in there. It has a little handle just in case you want to just carry it like this. Adjustable huge strap. It's not the tiny straps that's like cutting you, and it's from this brand No Boundaries. They like had everything. I had never heard of this brand. This bag was the most expensive thing that they offered. Like all their clothes was $5 or less, but I'm pretty sure this was $17. And then this was the last like not clothing item that I got. It was this little wallet again from No Boundary. This was the last one that they had, and it was at the very bottom. I just saw it and I was like, this is so cute. It's gingham like picnic cover, and I love it. Look at the little heart detail. So like it has this little thing for your little coins. Let's get into the No Boundaries clothes because I got a lot of them. Like I was really like obsessed. Like I don't understand. I got this little shirt. I think the highest was $5, like $4.98, and then the cheapest was $4, like $3.98. Yeah, you know, yellow is my thing. 2X. Then I also got these shorts, XL. You think this wide low gonna fit in here? But I just had to get them because I love like sporty shorts like this. They remind me of like old school gym clothes. So I got a few of these like undershirts. Then I also got this undershirt too. I like this color. And then on that same wave, I got this shirt because I saw this and I was like, oh my god, a button up? I think this is so freaking cute. Show the little chest. Like, yeah, I got this in a 2X too. Kind of smaller. These shirts, yeah. And you know, I'm into blues. I like, oh no, what is this? There's a stain on this. This blue shirt. Then I also got the shorts. We got another undershirt in this pink color. And I don't have a lot of pinks. The gray shorts, this is the section that started it off. When I saw all these short shirts and these colors, I was like, what's no boundary, and why are these things so cute, like cheap and cute in all these colors? Oh yeah, so this was the highest, $5. Nothing was above $5. So Reebok and Walmart are a thing apparently. I did not know that. I just so happened to randomly find these pants. They are like cargo sweatpants because they have pockets like these. This shirt to me, like, it gives like tennis court vibes. And then I was gonna get a black version of that too, but instead I got this one. It's the same collared like polo, but it's like, it's sleeveless. Yeah, so that is my haul. Oh my god. And then you see this one, she's gotten so big. She is growing. I'm so excited. Look, like two hands to heaven. Whatever. Tomorrow I'm gonna go to the park. Guys, I'm here and I already feel great. Oh, I love being outside in nature. Look at that. Wow. The last time I was at this park was like maybe 2020. Wow. It's something about being out in nature that really does it for me. So freaking beautiful, and it brings me so much joy. Ariana, what are you doing here? Look at him. Oh my gosh. Exercise. And the sun is coming out. I'm so wild for like wearing a light colored shirt like this, knowing how much I sweat. Let's reflect on my adult spring break that I took. Today is Saturday. I have until Tuesday to go back to work. It's been such a success. I'm so happy. I'm so grateful that I was able to do this. I'm grateful I'm able to have a job that I have PTO that I didn't have to earn. Because I know a lot of places, like even when I talk to my friends, they're like, yeah, like they have to like accrue the days off when like they just give me a month in it, like a month, like, okay, here's your days, use them however you want, you know. I'm so grateful to that. I'm grateful to have a manager that doesn't care like what days I take. He's like, yeah, sure, take it. Like he is so cool with me taking a personal day if I'm having a mental health day, if I'm sick, stuff like that. He's so great, and I am appreciative of that. And I can still say like I can still be appreciative of what I have and still want better for myself, still strive to finally have a job that I really that really aligns with myself. You know, just because you're good at the job doesn't mean you're aligned with it. Yeah, I'm so grateful for that. I'm grateful for money, the money that I have, because I spent a lot of money, and all these things that I have been doing, I've been able to do by the grace of God. I be feeling like, oh, I should have accomplished this by this age. All these people are doing this before they're 30, by they're 25, and I'm like, I just started making it like as a grown person, like in my late 20s. You know, I have to stop dwelling so much on the past. Like so many things, I'm just like, why did that have to happen? Why did I have to go through that? Why did this happen? Well, it's like, girl, it happened. It's literally nothing you can do about it. It makes no sense trying to change, or not even trying to change, but dwelling on the past and things that happen. They happen. Get over it. Not get over it like, oh, whatever, dismiss it. Like, deal with it and let it go. So I hold on to shit so bad because I be wanting people to fucking suffer. But as they say, God's timing is the right timing. I understand. I'm glad I took this time to myself, even though I'm always by myself. But I'm glad I took the time to do fun things that I enjoy by myself. I'm so happy about that. New Jersey, for real, is the Garden State for a reason, and also like one of the most beautiful places. Oh my God, they used to have these all the time. I was like, I don't see her. And I just so happened, because I decided to walk back, I see her. She's selling mangoes and the watermelons, but you know me. I will never do watermelon. Anyway, let's enjoy this shot right here. Let's do up a little bit. Thank you. Thank you. A day like this calls for a cold cut sandwich with some chips. So let's do it. Maybe even a slushie. Maybe. 58. But I already got a kiwi strawberry. Arizona. I am home. I changed, washed my face. Baby. They was feeling me today. Good morning. Happy Sunday. And I'm getting ready for the Soft Step Society walk. This is the first walk. I posted the videos last night, or the video last evening, like I want to say it went up at like 5. TikTok, we got a few comments, and then on Instagram we got one comment where just to let me know like, hey, they won't be able to make it this time, but next time. So I'm excited. Someone had to work. But yeah, no one else really like confirmed that they were coming. Yeah. The lady with the mangoes is here again. Let's pause. Oh, he almost hit that car. Good morning.